Look at that. So guys, this is the kitchen, and over the kitchen you can look outside. Oh, you can look outside over the kitchen. Look, huh? Very nice. How I wish I have a home like this. Oh my goodness. Okay, Lord. Sorry, Lord, but yeah. Buti na mangarap. Libre mangarap, no? Okay. This is it. I'm cooking bacon. I'm cooking bacon. Malok, oy, malamang dukon dyan. Ay, sa unang pagtambal. Listo pagtambalan kay inom og sirap. Di mo inom. Okay. Oh. Ako, hapit na kumatakdan. Okay. Watag luto na isa. Look at that, guys. Naghahanap ng pagkain yan. Naamoy na nila yung bacon. Amoy na nila yung bacon, kaya nagpupunta na. Oh, ito Ashley, oh, mga friends niyo. Oh, alam nila na nandito kayo eh. They know that you're here. Oh, they're coming. Oh, they're looking for food. Sana yan dahil binibigyan nila ni Ashley eh. Oh. Okay. Say hi. Say hi to my friends. Goosey goosey. Goosey goosey geese. Say hi to my friends. Don't poop up there, huh? Don't ever poop up there. Okay, I don't want to step on your poop up. Malis. Malis. Hindi naman kayo initsipwera eh. I just don't want you to poop up there. Hala. Coming na yung iba. Oh, alalalalalalalala. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to my friends. Bye-bye. Bye-bye daw. Come here. Come. Come here. Come. Come here near me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Lucky tingalin eh. Huh? Lucky ni kay Pulos Red. Badzi pa ka. I do not know if this is female or male. But, oh no. Bye-bye. Haira. Haira nila. Kauman.
He has a husband, a boyfriend.
Anak laro kay nakuan man sa sun. Okay. You like it there, huh? You're looking for your girlfriend? Okay. Say bye-bye. Lain, oh. Dapat lain nag-date, oh. Huh? Date mo diha, ha? That's supposed to be sunset, but it's only 6 o'clock maybe.
It's 6:30.
So there's way
So better. Maybe half
way
hour.
more to go. Okay. Only one guy. A child.
Can't believe that. You're out here.
I will look. What is this, babe? Hi. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, turtles. But we cannot see it here. You're lucky you saw the whales over there, John.
Yeah.
One time.
Yeah.
But Wendy also the other year, last year, he
Yeah.
also saw the whale there. Oh no, it's cold. It's cold. Yeah.
Not too bad.
Okay. It's sunset. It's already sunset. I will just come back later, mga 7 o'clock. 7 or 7:30.
It's 7 o'clock.
Okay, guys, this is the mainland.
island,
Yeah, the big island, the
Hawaii.
Kona,
Uh-huh.
and this is Maui.
Maui.
No, this is Maui.
Molokai.
And this
Oahu.
is the Honolulu,
Uh-huh.
and this is Kauai,
Yeah.
and this one is the
I
Niihau,
don't know that.
a small island where the young died last year.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's a lot of sharks there.
Yeah.
Sharks, whales, dolphins, something like that. And stingray here. Pretty. Buka. Mura man sa aping ni Carla. Ang gupahag yun to. Ang dako. Ay, why are you shy? Hi. Why are you shy?